To hide apps on the Realme GT 7 Pro, first we'll need to open our settings. Now navigate to Security and Privacy, scroll down and look for Hide Apps section. When you enter it for the first time, it will ask you to create your privacy password, but I already have it, so let's enter it. It needs to be 6 digits. You can also use a fingerprint to unhide them as well. Now, when we are here, we can change the access method, and we can access them via the home screen icon or via dial pad. So these two options are entirely different. If you decide on the home screen icon, then you'll be able to customize the style and name of the icon, but I prefer the dial pad tone, and let's go with that. Now, when you enter the access code setup, you need to enter the dial number you need to type in to unhide those apps. And I'm gonna go with something like 4003 and then end with hash. It needs to begin with hash and end with hash as well. Now, when we go and add the different apps that we want to hide, in this case, let's go with Chrome. We can go back to our dial pad tone, phone dialer, and enter the code that we provided. And here's the apps that we've hidden, in this case Google Chrome.